Welcome! We are a team of online education experts ready to make your learning engaging and effective.
Welcome to the introduction of the Azure Solution Architect, a cloud pathfinder. The Azure Solution Architect is a coveted role, blending technical prowess with strategic thinking. You're the bridge between business needs and cloud solutions, architecting robust, scalable systems on Azure. The interview process tests your knowledge, problem-solving abilities, and quick thinking. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and strategies to conquer the Azure Solution Architect interview. We'll delve into common questions, uncover hidden complexities, and arm you with the best responses. So, let's embark on this journey and unravel the mysteries of the Azure Solution Architect interview. Because the cloud awaits, and with the right preparation, you'll be ready to architect its future. Welcome to Section 2, Decoding the Interview, Navigating the Labyrinth of Questions. The Azure Solution Architect interview is a mix of technical questions, design scenarios, and behavioral assessments. One common question: design a system to handle on Azure. Another favorite: how would you migrate an on-premises application to Azure? This assesses your migration experience. And then there's the behavioral questions like, tell me about a time you had to troubleshoot a complex cloud issue. The actual questions will vary depending on the role, but the underlying themes remain constant. They want to see your Azure expertise, design thinking, problem-solving abilities, and communication skills. Welcome to Section 3, Conquering Complexity, Mastering Design and Solutions. Design questions are the heart of the Azure Solution Architect interview. One common scenario: designing a system for a high-traffic website. You might propose using Azure Traffic Manager or Azure Application Gateway, coupled with Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, or Azure Virtual Machine Scale Sets. Another scenario: designing a disaster recovery solution using Azure Site Recovery or Azure Backup. The best solution depends on specific requirements, budget constraints, and application architecture. Practice various design scenarios, familiarize yourself with different Azure services, and learn how to integrate them to create comprehensive solutions. Section 4. The Cost Conundrum: Optimizing Solutions in the Cloud. Cost optimization is a critical aspect of cloud architecture. Expect questions like, how would you optimize the cost of this solution? Or, what are some ways to reduce Azure spending? Consider using reserved instances, right-sizing virtual machines, and leveraging Azure's cost management tools. Show that you can balance performance and cost, delivering the best value for the business. Section 5. Experience Speaks. Showcasing your architectural prowess. Use past experience to demonstrate your ability to solve real-world problems and highlight your Azure expertise. Quantify your achievements whenever possible. Use metrics to demonstrate your impact, like migrating a 100 TB database to Azure, reducing infrastructure costs by 20%. Use the STAR method to structure your responses. Describe the situation, outline the task, explain the action you took, and highlight the result. Be prepared to answer follow-up questions to demonstrate your deep understanding of Azure. Use your experience wisely to showcase your architectural prowess. Section 6. Preparation. The Architect's Blueprint for Success. Preparation is the cornerstone of success in any interview, and the Azure Solution Architect interview is no exception. Start by revisiting the Azure fundamentals and understanding core services. Practice designing solutions and work through various scenarios. Use online resources like Microsoft, Learn, and Azure documentation. Prepare for behavioral questions and reflect on your past experiences. Research the company and the role, tailoring your responses to align with their specific needs. With the right preparation, you'll be well equipped to crack the code and ace your Azure Solution Architect interview.
Start your journey to new knowledge and opportunities today. Join us and discover the world of endless possibilities in online education.